Building your first financial model is exciting. But before you dive in, let's talk about 5 common mistakes that can trip you up and how to avoid them like a pro. Mistake number 1: hard coding inputs directly into formulas. It's the cardinal sin of modeling. Bad example: equals A2 asterisk 1.05. If your assumption changes, you'll have to manually update every formula. That's a nightmare. Instead, use cell references, like equals A2 asterisk B2, where B2 holds your assumption. It's cleaner, scalable, and error-proof. Pro tip: format input cells in blue so they stand out. Mistake 2: overly long and complex formulas. You might think you're being efficient, but you're actually creating chaos. Take this monster formula: equals if a 1 1000, a 1 asterisk 0.1, if a 1 500, a 1 asterisk 0.050. It's hard to read and harder to debug. Break it down using helper cells. Simpler logic, cleaner model. If your formula has more than 2 nested functions, ask yourself, can I split this? Mistake 3: no error checks. Your model should alert you when something's off. Don't just assume your balance sheet balances. Build check cells. Example: equals if total assets equals total liabilities plus equity. Okay. Error. It's a simple step that saves hours of troubleshooting. Mistake 4: not documenting assumptions. If someone else opens your model, they should know why each number exists. Bad: assumptions scattered with no explanation. Good: a dedicated assumptions section with notes and source links. Example: Greenleaf Workbook includes a sources sheet. That's best practice. Mistake 5: mixing units or currencies. It's a silent killer of accuracy. Using kg in one place and grams in another, or forgetting to convert USD to NGN. That's a recipe for disaster. Standardize units in your BOM. Include a units column, and always convert currencies in input cells. Keep a checklist of all units. It's your safety net. Avoiding these 5 mistakes will make your financial models cleaner, smarter, and more reliable. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more modeling tips.